Wagwan ENT.
Oh, what's the name of the sound? STURGAV is the sound. STURGAV is the sound that is booming up chillin'. Don't you know? STURGAV is the sound booming up the lawn tonight. Don't you know? STURGAV is the sound ramming up chillin' tonight. I say all night long, Daddy, I work so hard till the sun comes up around. Playing on the highways and playing on the byways, killing off all them idiot sound. You can see the people dance the night away whenever they hear STURGAV champion sound play. Don't
check one tree.
STURGAV is the sound booming up the lawn tonight. The STURGAV is the sound booming up the lawn tonight. You can hear the
oh, the monitor, the sound not come through, the voice not come through the monitor. Where them up here for? Huh? People, big respect. I'm just want to make a note say, every man there want to sip on the posters, the man there inside here, right? Yeah, so big respect. I'm just want to tell you say, greetings in the name of the Most High Jah, mighty King Selassie. Yeah? So, run the track one more time to the very longest drop, man. People, baby. Yeah. We love you, people. We love you. And we thank you if you come out, come see we. Yeah? Yeah, every time. People, baby. Now, people, baby. So stop the people, baby. Yeah, people, baby. Well done. I've been a long time down to call you, but you don't want to come. Yes, you Babylon to stop you running and come. If I don't call you, but you don't want to come. Yeah, man. Now here is Little Twitch. Yeah? Where you say, Mr. Twitch?
Lord of Bronx, London, glory! I'm talking Twitch once more again for them case. So run this track, Mr. Selector, because you know another time for you don't know we come out and do it different. Run it, Mixmaster Steve. Mixmaster Steve, run it. Run it, Mixmaster Steve. Yo. Mixmaster Steve. What go on here, sir? Run the rhythm. Check. Yo. Mixmaster Steve, run the rhythm now. Yeah. Jano. Yo. Lord of mercy, people them glad say we come, glad say the ragamuffin STURGAV come, glad say the ragamuffin Twitch him come, car hola young, you know say, tita and tongue, you know say, walk and run, you know say, knife and gun, cause after 6 o'clock, glory! You know how long me not come out here? I don't want a malfunction. Land of mercy. General Trees. Lord, the people them glad say we come, glad say the ragamuffin STURGAV come, glad say Glad say we come. Glad say the ragamuffin STURGAV come. Cause whole and young, you know say. Walk and run, you know say. Knife and gun, you know say. Teeth and tongue. Say after 9 o'clock me send the dance tear down. And this has to STURGAV and make them have some fun. You know say talk it with him comfy it down. And General Cheese and make them have some. Me say them glad say we come. Glad say we come. Glad say the ragamuffin STURGAV come. Say in England we a go ram it up. Can me say STURGAV a play it off it jam it up. Can me say enough of them a come and them a all time crop. You know say STURGAV man we have this stuff. And this attack it with a man you know say me rough. And long time me no come but me come fi mash it up. Them glad say we come. Glad say pull up, General Cheese. Glory! One. Tell them say a Rastaman story. See me I tell you. Alright. Oh, I can read it in the morning cleaner. Oh, I can read it in the evening star. I say we want no more loving, but we can't take the tribal war. Chuck. Down in the ghetto where I was brought and I was told. Some love the silver while some love the gold. In my pocket man I be another soul. I go kill my brother with a save me soul. Me have all of my soul. Glory!
Yeah, I want to come.
Yes, General. See it now, General. See it now. Yes. Oh, I can read it in the morning glean. The gentleman doesn't read it in the evening star. I say we want a lot of more loving people, so we can't take the tribal war. Go back! Down in the ghetto, one brother I was gold. Some love the silver while some love the gold. In my pocket, man, I be another soul. I go kill my brother in that same soul. Yeah, all my soul. Yeah, all on the man and the toll. What them say? Some like it hot and me say some like it cold. But you give me my own in a one whole time bowl. Cause when me come and dance, not a turn me roll. And if me play a cricket man and bowl, me have to bowl. Me nah kill me brother, rather save me soul. Me have a heart in the man's soul. Ooh-wee, my baby, ooh-wee, my baby. Won't you play some more reggae music for me? Won't you play some more reggae music for me? My name is Tony, them call me General Cheese. But the kids in the ghetto said they call me Lovely. Glory! So I'm telling one here. Who wants some money telling one at a road boy? I saw the thing setting up. I want the man to say Frankie Ball. Ow! Ow! 'Cause I ain't much no Casanova. Me and Brixton! STURGAV! Volcano!
AddisAbabaINT.com.
Check it out now. For first time that I saw you, you got me going. Well, yeah, alright. Now I realize you never know. I think I love you from Lord of mercy, alright. I know, oh yeah. My people sing, ooh, Brixton, I think I love you. Joe, 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 I think I love you for all ladies, oh yeah. I know, hey, 'cause I ain't much no Casanova. And me and Romeo, I can't hear you. Can't you see how much I'm? And I sing it to you. We've only just begun. Got a lot of love to give. We've only just begun. For romance is not. Got so much love to give. Everybody say yeah, oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say ow. Say ow. Say ow. Say ow. Twitch.
Selassie, what up? Little John, come cross.
Little shot, man. Yeah. Loving the people. Loving the house, Virgin. Although the prayer kind of weak, but we are making to know say everybody there. And we are going to just do what we can. Mr. Music, will you please play? Yeah. Kaka, large of yourself. Lord of mercy, why? Well, I'm alive, fit a full of well, I treated as a good. I should go by your time, baby, cry. Look at the rule, that's why true. Confession, you can come, Mr. Massive. Are you ready? Will! I'm gonna tell a man, Kaka, large up yourself, my brethren. All Pearland people, all Jamaican in the house, Trenchtown, Jonestown, London people. Well, I'm laughing, the food are well treated as a good. I she broke my heart and made me cry. Look at the rule and that's why too. Confession, you can read my story, read it in a magazine. And then all of a sudden when she goes on, I she still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she tell me, say she love little John indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't. Look for me. I've been trying a long time, till I can make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong. Sing with me, my people. Sing. Seems like I done something wrong. Why they try to keep me down? But to God bless, no man curse. Thank God I'm not the worst. Better must come one day. Better must come, yeah. That will come again. Hey, Brixton. You don't know Little Chan, the little short man, the veteran from way back when. See him with him. Twitch. You bad no bitch. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Remember this? Well, I stare through my window and watch her as she passes by. Ooh yeah. Well, I said to myself, I'm such a lucky. Why are the people that must sing with me now? Come on, man, a party with it. Look here. To have a girl like her, it's truly a dream come true. Out of all the fellow in the world, she belonged
You're the nice part of now, people. We want to muscle up now. But it was just my... Ooh, running away with me. Tell you it was just my imagination running away. You think of that? If you ever need me, just call me on the phone line. You got my number if you ever want me and your love life. Yeah. Because if you ever lonely and your love life, ooh, yeah. So take your time. Sing it. It's just my... I sing. Though my own world is shaking, I feel fine. Call me on your love line. So let me hear you sing, yeah, oh. Sing, yeah, oh. Sing, yeah, oh.
Yeah. So we have people like Cocotte, Brigadier, the General. You know what I mean, people? We have a whole heap of artists on here. See? So, Mr. T, Briggy, when the man them ready, the man them will find themselves up here saying in my yard, because you see how the thing a roll. Yeah? Yeah, yeah. And we said, Papa Twitch.
See the hypocrite, them a go long day. 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 Them a fuss. Fight. Fuss. Fight. But what are them fighting for? No for fight for us and no for them a fight for car. Every black man we a real superstar. Which is me name, me a real superstar. I am Selassie from near or far. Come a STURGAV, come buy out your bar. Bring your girlfriend and bubble in a corner. You know say STURGAV a ram dance faster. We born Lucifer and we born vampire. That's why see the hypocrite, them a go long day. See the hypocrite, them a go long day. Make them go on. Make them go on. And them a fuss against them one another. Fight against them one another. Make them go on. Brixton tell them to go on. Lord of mercy. Say what about peace that sound like STURGAV. And I hold it dance and everybody feel right. STURGAV come here suffer and make up tonight. We don't busy with PMP and we don't like labor right. I Emperor Selassie make this light shine bright. So see the hypocrite them a go long day. The hypocrite them a go long day. Make them go on. Hell them make them go on. Selector. That's for that. Now when I say what it be selector, the monitor now go on right. I know long talking Twitch don't come in England. But remember me tell you so we coming for Ramit. Big up all of the man from Kingston 11, Kingston 12, Kingston 13, Spanish Town, back to Pineland, Rima. Remember the talking Twitch there, jungle, anywhere you want to come from. But still me selector, because I know me not coming for Eagle. Lord, show me the bed over there. Easy Danny. Bushman style. I come to play participation 2 style. When I say when I make a make it stop and run around and do me a STURGAV. Ribbit over there. Ribbit over there. Ay. Shubang bang ay. Won't you come rock with me? Won't you come skank with me? This a Papa teach along with General G. Nothing in this world is impossible to win. Fly across the ocean and we fly across sea. When we come and dance, we a top celebrity. Gun bag a wire, all the gully monkey. No for them a come and go on like a junkie. But this a STURGAV for make them boy. Lad boy, show me know me why. Why? Show bang bade. Show me know me do bang bade. Ay.
Well then,
from the Barbie down they can't hang. Well then, come and make we preach it to them. Well then, see can you find your army friend? No worry about Satan and his follower them. And let them make a start, then you must have an end. Man a tree, man a road, man a vine, man a stem, man box down Satan. Kicks down in them, and my son Bubba rule them one big spell. And my daughter Lenny Pushy as well. So they know me come here, pick come set a better channel. Only 10 commandments, we break some of them. He then win a friend, hurt no boy win a friend. Stick by your side and that's the right trend. Well then, they want me down the can't hang. Well then, come and make we preach it to them. Well then, see can never find your arm friend. Now worry about another. Well I know see and them say heart no limb. Give me the eye alone, me come with every touch you need. And them say, well I know see and them say glory. No, me I dedicate the one. Me I dedicate a Stella to all the man who know say you have to be careful where you eat nowadays. Alright? Listen me good. Well, I know see, and them say, heart no leave, give me the eye alone, me go me way, me don't you meet. And them say, well, I know see, and them say, heart no leave, give me the palm show, me go me way, me don't you meet. Be careful how you buy meat at the meat shop. Make sure the chemist pass through and test that. Be careful how you buy meat on the street, them a kill donkey and a sell that for beef. Be careful of glory. Middle of the well, you know, so we have to smooth it up. We have to smooth it up. Well, then, I'm the Barbie down the car. We have to smooth up. I'm the Barbie down the car. Well, then, come and make we teach it to them. Don't worry about Satan and them. Alarm. Shh. Well, I know see, and them say, heart no leave, give me the eye alone, me go me baby, don't you be cheese. Well, I know see, and them say, heart no leave, give me the bag, Joe, me go me baby, don't you be. Be careful how you buy meat at the meat shop. Make sure the chemist pass through and test that. Be careful how you buy meat on the street. Them a kill donkey and a sell that for beef. Be careful how you buy meat at the meat shop. Them a kill sell the people that. Anyway, give me the man and the moving. I wanna ho. I know he ha. Give me the man and the moving. I wanna ho. Nah no. Shut up. Who have the record to eat dog meat? But this a man jump right into the seat. You know hear about the man, what? The other week, who tell Bagger, send yam dog meat. Some people say, what? When I eat such thing, go in and eat a restaurant, not from the street side kitchen, where we yam the patty with it West Spice on in where we eat the beef cause it come in a tin. How you? Good! Oh! Hey, look a sharp man there. Coco!
Georgia, ay, stand up straight, it pull up, bring it down. I'll play your favorite song, darling. You can rock me all night long. Sing. For I've got love, sweet love. A Brixton, I'm on there tonight. Brixton massive, are you feeling alright? Cocotine and the dance hall tonight. General Treason and the dance hall tonight. Yes, Frankie Paulin and the dance hall tonight. Brigadier the General in the dance hall tonight. Yes, Little Twitching and the dance hall tonight. King STURGAV and Volcano in the lawn. So let me hear you say whoa. Say yeah. Say whoa. No. What I say, Twitch?
Cocotti. No General Cheese, you hear me now? Well, to me walk, them call me walking twitch. Me talk, them call me talking twitch. Me run, them call me running twitch. Me skip, me call me skipping. We call it, inna this a one you bubble inna this. Inna this a one you jump inna this. Inna this a one you bubble inna this. Inna this a one you jump inna this. You wiggling and you jiggling to the youth pupa twitch. Go tell them this a youth, me say me bad like a bitch. From 1976 say this a youth fi get rich. Say pan for me, use me want me satellite dish. You can't give me hockey, young girl, let's give me fish. From the flicker for me wrist to make them jump and twist. Say your man banana, I sell a market. And let his carrot and turnip and make me fit. So that's him in this morning about 5:45. Me keep me skipping up and now me started to skip. Me come and stir up for talk, sweet lick. There are cheese and pop up with me say we bad like a bitch. Say no time at all, we can't start circuit. The kind of way we fight Rasta, no we can't itch in him. Inna this a Frankie Paul inna this. Inna this a General Trees inna this. Inna this a Cocotte inna this. Inna this a Brigadier inna this.
Red dress, step in your high heel. Some of that sweet perfume sure smells good on you. Slide on your lipstick, lay all your hair down. And when we get through, I wanna make love to you. Tonight will be a special night, no matter where we go. I'm so proud to be with you. Just wanna let you know, you got me singing mine. Sure look good tonight. And after all this time, got me singing mine. Mine. Sure look good tonight. Girl, you are so damn fine. And ooh, now that you are here with me, let's not waste no time. Let me rub your shoulders down. I wanna be with you. I wanna rock with you, lady. I wanna roll with you, lady. Cause the feeling's strong. I wanna rock with you, lady. All night long. Rock and roll. Baby, sweet love. Ooh, that girl. The girl is so good looking. Ask me how I know, and I tell you, she used to be mine. She used, oh baby, she used to be my baby. More than I could give. She was so right for me to be.
Wagwan ENT.
Trees. Hey.
No, hold on there. People. Them say the monitor not too go on good. Them say the monitor not too go on good. Where we bless the people, them say me. Volcano time I go play now with Danny Dreadlocks. Come with something different, Mr. Selector. So let's say, I will bless the people, them say me. Alright. Hey, you know. I don't know. I want the sound now play good. Shut up. Better than them. Rougher than them. Better than them. Watch me now. I said you want to go to Negro or even to my bed. I'm gonna take you go to what you have a sentence, baby. I don't feel no way. Hold it. Hold it, Mr. Selector. So I say, why Frankie Paul going out?
Brixton, London, at the old Gag Island town. And when we come out, we don't ramp, run track. Oh, all ladies now. A million times the more I thought about you. For years of tears and life, the things we used to do. memories upon me like a sunny day. You touch my life in such a special way. I miss the way you rub your fingers through my hair, and nights we spent together in your easy chair. Oh no, I won't let foolish pride turn you away. I'll take you back whatever price I pay. Oh friend, it's so nice again, and it doesn't matter where you have been. My heart welcomes you back home again. Oh baby, everybody say yeah oh, yeah oh. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. Say oh, say stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Girl, I'm needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be true to the end. I'll be mighty glad you stay. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Everybody say oh, say oh, say oh, oh. Little John,
stop it! Come back from top. Hey people, you don't know me work already, you know. I don't know me work with, you know. Someone want to help me sing this, you know. Danny Tread, why you play it low for me? That's why me sing, say what you're saying, and do sing out my people, cause I've got sing out no money can, because crowd of people I cannot sing. I love this. Can me say massive, are you ready? Come again. Wheel it up. You don't know, so I work with the thing, you know. Loving the people, coming on who can't sing, you know. Oh, little Johnny, oh, you know the place again. Look, that's why me sing, say what you saying, and do. Cause I've got something, sing out no money can, because crowd of people I cannot sing. I love this little girl of mine. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Cause when I ain't got no money, she is still my honey. And there is no reason to be funny, cause I sing out people. I cannot sing. I love this little girl. You make a nice part now. Say what you're saying and do what you're doing. Say what you're saying and do what you're doing. I got something that money can buy. I got something that money can buy. Oh, can't you see? Yeah. Can me say massive? Tell me so no
Addis Ababa INT.com.
Cockatoo.
Wheel up Danny Dread. Rhythm. Same rhythm. Massive, are you ready? Yes, I hear the voice of the Rasta man say. Then I sight the one with the 7 seals. What him say now, now sing. What we gonna do now? I said I shall fly away. Oh. and say one bright morning when my work is over, I shall Brixton sing fly away oh, to Zion. I say one bright morning when my work is over, I shall by the rivers of Babylon. And there we weep. Sing! Because the wicked. Whoa!
See him with him now. See him with him, Sparling. May I touch a piece and come to you? Why? Hey, you still like going and sing so good? Love on it to the max. Danny Dread, look. I wonder if one day that you say that you care. If you say you love me madly, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. I'll be just like a merry-go-round with all the fun in the air. So let me hear you sing, yeah, oh. Sing, yeah, oh.
Say I nah go push no barrow. Me prefer wear up me clocks and arrow. Oh well, oh well. Say I nah go push no barrow. Me prefer wear up me clocks and arrow. I don't want my wife and children to go out in the street and borrow. I want to enjoy tomorrow. Say I nah go push no barrow. Me prefer wear up me clocks and arrow. No well. No well. I got a vision, my brethren, and it's a dreadful wow. It's like I see blood running uptown. It's like I see blood running downtown. When I go a little bit further, I heard a voice sound like thunder. He said, stop, Mrs. Pauline. I give you preaching and singing.
Yes, I. Enough respect. Run it again. Yeah. Peace and love.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah, loving you, girl. I was too blind to see you letting me go. And now I can surely see it's gonna take a miracle. Yes, it's gonna take a miracle. Let me love someone new. Then I go crazy for you, baby. Didn't you know that it wouldn't be so easy? You letting me go. But now I can surely see it's gonna take a miracle, love. Yes, it's gonna take a miracle, love. Loving
you. Hey, come on, hey, yellow. All right, me give you mic. If you don't want me to touch peace, me give you mic.
Sure. say no. Zungo, zungo, go, zungo. Zungo, zungo, go. London, Brixton, Little John. Zungo, zungo, go, zungo, zay. 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 Positive giver, positive pen. If you have a start, more survive. 5 years fine, equal to 10. Maybe I am gonna make you tell it to them. Zungo, zungo, go, zung. Zungo, zung. Pull up, next shock. Brixton. I love you. Coco. Frankie. I'm getting married now. Brixton.
Wagwan ENT.
And look at that. General. Everybody. I'm getting married. Sing down, you hear that? Where's she out? And my man, me a go have a vision. Book up my wife, dear Susan, not me husband. Sing it up, if you ever Ava? Bring it. Yeah. Pull up. And we are say Frankie. War is in the dance. War is tonight. War is in a Brixton. War is in the dance. Yeah. Volcano style. That's style, original thing. Oh, yeah, yes. Yeah, she. War is in the dance. War is tonight. War is in the dance. War is in the dance. War is in the dance. War is. Stand up in the corner. I dance with my daughter. Some daughter just a broke fair fight.
Addis Ababa,
some of them just feel alright. War is in the dance. Will. One more time. Now all Jamaicans, I want to salute and help me sing the song. Run track. All Jamaicans, let me hear ya. Oh yeah, all yardy. Eternal Father, bless our land, guide us, we fight. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our guide through countless hours. Through our leaders, great defenders, grant true wisdom from above. Justice be for Jamaica land. All Jamaicans say, Jamaica, Jamaica. Hey, say yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, ow. There's no getting over that rainbow, and my smallest of dreams will come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, and I'll won't last a day without you. Cocotte.
Sing. Brixton, come again. Bidu. I can't get no sleep in this noisy room. I've got to. Oh. Baby, let's go away from here. Don't be confused. The way is clear, and if you want it, you've got it forever. This is not a one-night stand. Let the music take your mind. Just release and you will find that we're gonna fly away, doing it my way. Our love is when we're cruising together. Brixton, how you feel tonight? Long time. We know I've do, yeah. Brixton, a long time. We know I've no nice time. Do, yeah. Think about. She loves me now. Whoa. Massive, are you ready? Alright. Well, I sing glory, hallelujah. Got to give thanks and praise unto a long time I man want. Sing. She loves me now. She loves me now. When we are to read the dance at I low, should I even listen?
Hold on there, yellow, hold on there. Count that one, I could have more Mike Shark more than me. Whoa. Remember this? Ooh. Sing with me if you remember. How them workers so hard. I can't feel me and go back. Let me not tell them, I'm not going like, I'm not be a hit song like a John sing, sir. I be a hit to sing, Someone want to help me sing this. That's why me sing, look how them workers so hard. I can't feel me and go back, bad boy. I tap on me smoke and dad. Here we are. I'm not afraid of flashing over my back. I'm not afraid of flashing over. What do you think of that? To believe for real love. Whoa. I want the whole wide world to help me sing. To believe for real love, and nothing gonna change me now.
Oh, I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. Sing, sing. I guess you say, what can make me feel this? Sing.
Pull up that. Pull it up. Rhythm right down here. A lot of man now get no woman tonight. Daddy right. A lot of man now get no woman tonight. A lot of man pull up and we are say Frankie.
Daddy right.
Yeah, the song will play. But the song will lead the way each and every day. Tell you. You know what I mean? Well, every man in my brethren still. And every woman on my sister still. Yeah, we got to live in the skin, as I would say. Yeah, yeah. You couldn't hear me when I play. Yeah. Every man on my brethren still. And every woman on my sister still. And every brethren on my baby still. Yeah, now the most on the coast, as I would tell you. Yeah. When I say love is not the Bronx, love is not the bones, and I will tell you. Oh, we are some Bronx here.
One in a million chance of a lifetime, and life shows compassion and seems to be on you. Hey. Just tell him to cool ya, can't keep on in the area. Why? Tell him to cool ya, FPM run the border. Why? Tell him be cool, and we have the tool. Well done. Tell him be cool, we have the tool. Oh, what? Yes, I know this girl around. That's name Alicia. I'll just be Spanish, pure French fry and hamburger. And if you are behind, love it all forward. Cocoa tea.
Happy and you love me here. All women in that place. A full stylist. Look. My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own. To fall in love is what everyone dreaming of. Someone I could only know. Life is too short when you're someone.
But the dance hall, cock look at the dance all night. Everyone I jump up, everyone about. Let me hear it from the passe, like the Jamaican passe. Come sing no reggae. Come DJ no reggae.
Yeah. Rastafari, live it like Tidwali, on the hearts of all human beings. You gotta listen to the original song called Stur 5-5. But I'm gonna bring the microphone stand. Man called Daddy Uri, man called Yellow Man, man like original little twitch bad no bitch, man called General Trees Cocoa Tea. Then man called Frankie P. Paul, I don't know as Jamaican Stevie Wonder. Run the track, man. You see how I'm powerful? You see how the Rasta man powerful, man, make thunder roll. Yeah. The little thing called we are going back to Jamaica, original thing, you know. So all who come from Portland, St. Anne's, St. Catherine, St. Mary, mic, man. Fix up the mic, man. And when I played my career. Brr. Jamaica, Jamaica. Brr, Jamaica, Jamaica. Into two twang. Jamaica, Jamaica. Rougher than them. Jamaica, Jamaica. You don't star. Down in Jamaica, beat it and one on and go to the one and the children and that's what I want and Will! Who goes? Yeah, man. Rough thing for 2 foot, man. Jesus Christ! Alright. Lord of mercy. Bong with the little bang bang pain. Bong with the little bang bang pain. Until the bong what thing will call the pain. Bong with the little bang bang pain. Lord, they got me feeding on me hand, they got me feeding on me food, yeah. You know me, say, don't do me back well. They treat you like a people like a higher and higher cup. But good thing we read the Bible, the holy book. We teach our daughter how them fake cook. Papa from reggae, super duper, I'm another cook. That is pain. But with a little, that is pain. Lord, come and say, sun did the shine on me, say, moon did the shine, hey. In all the storm on me, say, in all the rain, boom. My uncle slip on me, I feel the pain. I don't really know what me say, who to be blamed, bomb. Slave must have come to put me back away. Them put me now and come away, them call it the jail. Everything they give me for eat is something that is still pain. But with a little wrong pain. Lord, come and say how Papa Briggy come to London. How Papa Briggy come to London. Man me jump in a plane, he live from second down. Heathrow airport, that's where them plane land. In the heart of the city where them call London. Me say London connected, me say to Reading. Say Reading connected, me say to Luton. Luton connected to Birmingham. Birmingham it connected to Southampton. Southampton connected to Northampton. Northampton connected to Nottingham. Nottingham connected to the place called Leeds. Leeds it connected to Manchester. Manchester connected to the place Liverpool. Go on, Papa, bring him on no farm, no fool. Lord of mercy. Jamaica, Jamaica. Brr, Jamaica, Jamaica, we don't star. Down in Jamaica, we get it one on go to one of the see one of the school and one of the so don't one of the go to the school and play it. Jesus Christ! How next? What about us at Twitch?
Yes, Brigadier General. Selassie. Now I want to request one of the girl I'm independent. We have no one of money. When it comes to STURGAV, you know we did. At the talking Twitch. Hey, come now. We are go send for Spanish life, a gal we licky. Send for Spanish life, a gal we drinky. Send for Spanish life, a gal we licky. Send for Spanish life, a gal we drink. Come now. No licky, no beggy, no yummy. No licky,
Addis Ababa,
no
INT.com.
No drinky. Me know this little girl where them call Beverly. Well, she don't love the man you want to buy a brandy. The first time she take a liquor from Ruby, it does in a pocket for him virgin cherry. And that it not the liquor make she drink it, you see. And as I saw she drink it, man, she feel on. What she do? Rub down him back and rub down him belly. Take off. Will! Now when I request one of the man who have them pants have room. Brixton, more every man at Brixton shake them pants so now. And hold it, Mr. Selector. Hold it. All of the man who have Brixton and them pants have room shaking the pants so. Let me see if a scorpion or a hands down the pants so they can't get him out. See? So all of the man in the pants have room. A phone tune is a original dance. So we talk original things. Southie. All of the man from Villa, Uptown, Tower Hill. Lord have mercy. Brigadier General. Hey, what is that?
Wagwan ENT.